everyone, आज हम आए Palm Olympia के Phase 2 में, which is located in Sector 16C of Greater Noida West. This is not just a hope, but an invitation to your dreamland, and I'll tell you why. Talk about the location, then it is located on the Saj Expressway, connecting seamlessly to the Meerut Expressway. That is just 3 kilometers away. And moreover, it's just a 15 minutes drive from Delhi, which makes it the perfect location for your dream abode. So grab your imagination and hold on tight, and get ready to uncover why Palm Olympia is not just a choice, but an ultimate treasure for your loved ones. Starting from the connectivity, then let me tell you that it is located in one of the most prominent locations of Greater Noida, जहाँ गौर चौक सिर्फ 1 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे है, and the nearest metro station which you will be getting will be the Sector 52 metro station, which is just 15 minutes away from here. Now if we talk about the neighborhood attractions, then you will find places like Gaur City Center, Gaur Mall, Galaxy Blue Sapphire Plaza, all within 2 kilometers. Well, that was all about connectivity and location. Let's dive into the interior plan of Palm Olympia now. Phase 2, we are launching 6 towers, which you can see here, 3 right in front of me and then 2 next to it. 5 have already been approved by RERA, so you can book your flats for these. Coming to homes, here you will find semi-furnished apartments equipped with AC in all the rooms, along with a modular kitchen and chimney hob. And who doesn't love a spacious wardrobe, right? Well, you'll get that too. And with every tower, the builder is giving 4 lifts to ensure your comfort and convenience. Now, if we talk about the amenities you will be getting here, then let me start from the major attraction of the project. That is the 45,000 square foot clubhouse crafted by the renowned celebrity architect Bobby Mukherjee. Well, he is the same architect जिन्होंने बड़े-बड़े projects में काम किया है, so you can see the level of quality we are giving. If I talk about the details, then let me tell you, ये clubhouse एक masterpiece से कम तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. With tennis courts, basketball courts, cricket grounds, swimming pool, multi-purpose sports hall, children's playground, mini theatre, spa, co-working spaces, and many more. It is definitely the epitome of luxury in architectural design. Also, more than 4.5 acres, which is around 80% of the land, has been dedicated to green area, so that you feel close to nature all the time. But trust me, that's not all. Well, at Palm Olympia, we are offering 3 distinct choices to suit your needs. The first option is a 2 BHK with 2 toilets spanning 1182 square feet. The second option is a 3 BHK with 2 toilets covering 1357 square feet. And lastly, we have a spacious 3 BHK with 3 toilets and the utility area spanning 1608 square feet. And the builder has taken utmost care for security, as the main door comes with a digital lock and video door phone. Additionally, glass with SS railing ensures the safety of your loved one. Well, here's the cherry on top. Introducing the newly launched 3 BHK Plus Study, the Spouder luxury air-conditioned flat in Tower Gold Sapphire. Spanning across 1806 square feet, it's not just any space. It's your ultimate haven. Discover the perfect blend of luxury and comfort at Palm Olympia Phase 2, because your dream home awaits. For more information, contact Investor Experts today. Our contact information is given right below.